Now, in 2 days, just 2 days, the federal eviction moratorium expires. That was the moratorium established by the CARES Act, and millions of renters will be at risk of losing the roof over their head. In fact, 22 million households report not having the ability to pay next month's rent, and millions will be faced with evictions for past months' missed payments unless Congress acts. This is a potential catastrophe, and that's why Senate Democrats, including Senator Warren and Van Hollen and Senator Brown, who's been leading the effort but couldn't be with us today, but is leading efforts on the Senate floor on this issue tomorrow, and our other leaders on the Banking Committee and elsewhere have introduced bills that would provide an extension of the protections and the rental assistance necessary to keep people in their homes. You throw someone out of their home, their whole life gets disrupted. Their health care, their health gets worse, their job opportunities get worse, their kids' educational abilities get worse. Housing is fundamental, and it has been ripped by this COVID crisis. Now, Leader McConnell and Senate Republicans have blocked introduction of our bills, refusing to act on the House-passed HEROES bill passed more than 2 months ago. And they insisted only on a 3-month pause while they, quote, assess the conditions in the country, and that's their words. Well, their dithering and delay has brought us to this moment. We're about to see these critical protections expire. If they hadn't dithered, if they had sat down with us, Speaker Pelosi and I sent McConnell a letter 3 weeks ago, and let's sit down and sit down and talking, we wouldn't be here. We already had an affordable housing crisis that disproportionately affected Black and brown families before the global pandemic forced people out of work.
We are just days away from a housing crisis that could be prevented if Mitch McConnell stops stalling and the Senate acts. This is about our health, our economy, and our values. Forcing thousands of people out of their homes during a pandemic will make a public health crisis worse. Widespread housing disruptions will also affect essential workers and others who are keeping our economy going. And a wave of evictions will hit communities of color the hardest, further deepening racial inequities in our nation.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.